Okay, well, we got all signed into the Google account and all that, and here's what I'm interested to see, how it works. Set up the Edge Sense. So, set up now, see what happens. Squeeze 3 times. Okay, whoa. Squeeze, force, and expansion. Tap next to continue. Release to launch. There we go. Very shiny, very bright. It's kind of slippery, not too terribly slippery. It's not like the M8 was that just flew out of your hands, but it is kind of slick. Home, nothing exciting on there. Clock's a little different. Oh, already getting. So if I squeeze it, it should launch the camera or something. Oh, look at that! Isn't that fancy? Picture, see what happens. Guess you guys didn't see that. I'll try it again. There we go. Interesting. Trying to look at my other camera, look at the viewfinder over there, and take a picture at the same time. Let's see. Let's take a picture of whatever that happens to be. And exciting. So I guess you're just some contacts, squeeze it, and see if it does a short squeeze. Nothing. You just kind of gotta. I guess I set it up pretty tight, or pretty. Gotta squeeze it pretty good to get it to happen. So let's see what we have in here. The layout's a little different. 1, 2, 3. You got 5 across. 6 down, so that's a little different than the M10, or yeah, the M10 that I'm currently using. But so far so good. I'm liking it. Snapchat, audiobooks, everything's getting back on. See if Philips Hue's up and running. Yep, download pending, so it'll be here soon. And I guess that's it. So now it's just time to goof around with it and see how it works. Seems to be going pretty decent so far. So that's all I know. Check the weather, see what's going on there. Pleasant run. World clock. I guess tap it up there. A little sunny out. Hourly forecast. See what tomorrow's going to bring. See, there's an app that is able to open. So you open Android Auto, see, there we go, get started. No thanks. Audible, see how quick that opens. Guess it opens pretty decent. Trying to see what else is on here that's worth trying. Really, until they all download. It'll be a few minutes, so I guess that's pretty much it for now. Probably see if Google Play is downloaded yet. Play Store, Play Music. I don't remember what the last song I listened to was. It'll even be in here. Let's see what the fans of Will Smith have. Just check out the boom sound, see if it's.
He's a nice guy.
Oh.
How you doing? He's a nice guy.
Good to see you.
He's a nice guy.
How your mama know?
Mr. Nice Guy, relationship advice guy. Life on the vices, priceless smile. Look at the eyes. Got the
All right.
survivor.
Alright, that wasn't too bad. Sounds louder than my M10 was. Let's see if I can even get that to... I wonder if that'll even play. Now that I've got this up and running. But it seemed a little louder, and you could actually feel it, you know, the vibration a little bit. Let's see if that'll even play, hopefully. Guess not. Oh, there we go.
Of the earth. Well, messing with me is worse. Feel the rain, button up your overcoat. Watch the
Oh yeah. I know they're not the same song, but the 11's definitely louder.
Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute just
Sounds a
sit
little-
right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air.
Sounds a little tinny, but that could be the song. There we go.
God, Becky, look.
Man, said she's sweat, wet, got it going like a turbo vet. I'm tired of magazines, send fat butts all the things.
Not bad. Pretty impressive.
She got a back much back, son.
Yeah, so the boom sound is pretty loud, but obviously I don't have much background sound. I'll find out tomorrow at work when I listen to it on break and see how it sounds. So far, I'm definitely worth it and excited to goof around with it for a little bit more and go from there. So hope you all enjoyed the video. Hope it was anything worth watching. So again, this is the Sprint HTC U11, and the video is taken by the HTC camera. Good little camera to get if they're on sale. I wouldn't pay $200 for it, but if you can catch it on sale, it's definitely worth it. So, cool. Have a good one. Bye.